It's time to play. Here's how to get started and operate your Beoplay P6. Short press the power button to switch Beoplay P6 on. Press and hold Bluetooth button for 2 seconds until it starts to flash blue and a sound prompt is heard. Switch on Bluetooth on your phone and find Beoplay P6 on the list. The power button will turn full white when connected and you'll hear 2 sound prompts. P6 is ready to play. Press the OneTouch button to pause music. Press again to resume playing music. Double press the OneTouch button to play the next song. To answer an incoming call, just press the OneTouch button. If you want to reject a call, you can do a long press. To adjust volume, press the up or down buttons. When the indicator light turns red, battery power is below 10%. Use the smart USB-C charger to charge your P6 and let the music play. After 3 hours, the battery will be fully charged and the indicator will turn green. P6 plays up to 16 hours on a fully charged battery. Use the Beoplay app to personalize your sound experience and to activate the functionalities of the OneTouch button. Use ToneTouch to personalize your sound experience so you easily can match the music to your mood. You can also define which 2 ToneTouch modes you want the OneTouch button to activate via the app. The ToneTouch button can also be used to activate Siri or Google Assistant. It's up to you. Press the OneTouch button and it will trigger voice recognition. Play Take Me to Church. Reset the setting so the OneTouch button again will access the remote functions. You can easily set up 2 identical speakers to play together in a wireless stereo setup. Make sure both speakers are added to Beoplay app before entering wireless stereo pairing. Choose between ambient and stereo mode. In stereo mode, choose which speaker should be left and right. When you hear the sound prompt and the light is white on both speakers, you're all set.